Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is a plant-based OMAD meal, and I'm going to share exactly what I had for this. This was the other day. I was feeling like I just wanted to eat once that day. I wasn't really hungry during the day, so I don't eat when I'm not hungry. So I started this meal at 6 p.m., and I started off with a bowl of watermelons and a bowl of blueberries. So these have been really good lately. We've been getting local blueberries and watermelon that's from not too far away. So two of my favorite foods in the summertime is watermelon and blueberries. Good way to start off the meal, nice and hydrating, refreshing. And just after that, I had a large bowl. It was rice, beans, hot sauce, avocado, and a side of seasoned almonds. Then just after that, I had 2 slices of whole grain bread with some peanut butter, sliced bananas, and a half of a dark chocolate bar. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook with some great recipes in the description box. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Subscribe for more videos. I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.